Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel today. We've got something really exciting to unbox and share with you all. It's the Apple Watch Series 8. And we're going to take a close look at the Midnight aluminum case variant with the Midnight Sport band in 41mm size. Let's dive right in. As always, Apple's packaging is sleek and elegant. Let's slide off the outer sleeve to reveal the classic Apple Watch box. The anticipation is real. Wow, look at that unboxing, all of those watch colors. And there it is, the Apple Watch Series 8. Encased in midnight aluminum, this deep, rich color is definitely a standout. The 41mm size strikes a balance between a comfortable fit and a sizable display. Sad to see, but Apple didn't include Apple stickers on these Apple Watch products. This is my first ever Apple Watch, and this unboxing is really interesting. Lifting the watch out, we can see the Midnight Sport band. The band feels smooth and flexible, perfect for both workouts and everyday wear. It's got that signature Apple quality. And the Apple Watch includes Type-C charging cable for the watch. Turning the watch round, you can see the heart rate sensors on the back, a staple of the Apple Watch. The digital crown and side button are as tactile and responsive as ever. Now putting these bands on the Apple Watch is pretty easy and simple to do. That's pretty neat to do nowadays. Let's power it on. That iconic Apple logo and the crisp old display. The Series 8 promises improved brightness and clarity, and it's evident right away. While the watch boots up, let's talk about some of the features. The Series 8 boasts enhanced health tracking, with even more accurate sensors and new wellness apps. Plus, the WatchOS always brings a bunch of exciting features to the table. All in all, the Apple Watch Series 8 continues the legacy of innovation and quality we've come to expect from Apple. The Midnight aluminum case with the Midnight Sport band is a stunning combination, and the 41mm size strikes the perfect balance between style and usability. That's it for today's unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 8. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and unboxings. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next one.